Or they do this one, I think. Either one of them are good. She's taking a video. Oh, God.
If this is really that funny, it's gone on YouTube.
See that one right there? You can feel this one.
Wait a minute. Here it is. I'm gonna do a little butterfly.
What's a little butterfly? Oh,
Because I don't want you acting up on me.
oh, that's what they usually do on me.
They do?
Yeah. I didn't know it was called butterfly.
Yeah.
Oh.
They do.
That one right there. I feel it. Come feel it.
Whoa.
Are you recording?
Yep.
It's gonna be like a 20-minute video of just me hysterical. As soon as I see the needle come through, I'm not tired.
Next time. Like this.
You kidding?
Woo! Oh, girl, you're scaring me. Feel it. Here. I'm gonna hold you real still. And just
Come get in here close. Get the needle.
Oh.
Ah!
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Okay.
You need
I
to
don't come out, yeah, because it's not popping in.
Ooh. That hurts. My feet are sweating.
Y'all are too much for me today.
I'm sorry.
Here. You sit that down.
Oh.
I'm not gonna look at you.
This is gonna be hilarious.
Shut up. It's better than if I had it the first time. See, when I go to the doctor's, my mom's a nurse, so she usually does it for me.
Oh, that's good.
But then
Because
other people.
scare people to
No,
death.
she makes me, yeah. I make people nervous. See that one right there?
Which one?
Can you feel that one?
Chelsea, are you the doctor?
It's hard. Here, here's one right here. Feel it.
Oh, yeah, that's a juicy one.
Oh,
There's
see,
a-
you even know what to do.
Yeah.
You know.
My mom enjoys drawing my blood. She thinks it's funny. Just because I laugh so hard.
He enjoyed drawing my blood. Creep.
I think I
Put
laugh.
your hands back and forth on me.
I think I laugh even more when
Because you
my
know
mom-
what, yours move. The minute I go in, it moves.
I got
Woo!
worm veins. I got worm veins.
Okay. You got it?
What one? That one was it? Right here.
Just see it, yeah, right
That one too.
there. Girl. Talk about you today.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Ah,
You taking pictures of her?
no, it's a video.
Don't take no picture because I'm just stepping. I don't want
We're
you to
gonna
take
be
one of
famous on YouTube.
Nah. You guys.
Sorry if I make you nervous.
Yeah,
You make me nervous.
That shocked me. Because I didn't think it was going to react like it was warned me.
I did.
Mhm.
Come on, blood.
We're making a famous YouTube video.
No, I just wondered what was going on.
Here, hold that for me.
She's crazy.
Sorry.
Uh-huh.
My arm's purple.
Hold on, let's see if we can definitely see the difference. Purple, white, black.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't get a SpongeBob movie?
I don't have any.
Oh, that's lame.
Did she have any when you come here the last time?
No,
Cause I noticed they don't have them. Cause I put mine, put
they
you
give
on
me
there.
stickers over there.
No, you want a sucker?
Oh yeah, definitely.
I might need one too.
Okay.
No,
I
Jody.
was gonna ask you if you wanted one too. Y'all been so nice.
Can I have one on this side too?
Put it.
Oh yeah, lollipops.
Lollipops. I should probably turn this off.